So good morning everyone. Good morning to you, Ma'am Shane. So for today, I will going to discuss or differentiate is abstract and non-objective abstract or arts. So maybe you've taken a look at work abstract or non-objective art, gotten confused. Maybe you said to yourself, how is this art? Or why is this art? So I'm going to define what is abstract art. So abstract art, no, it is art that does not attempt to represent an accurate depiction of a visual reality, but instead uses shapes, colors, forms, and gestural marks to achieve its effect. Ano ba yung kaibahan ng abstract art and non-objective art? Maybe we feel confused about this, knowing this, because kanang, like for example, like your teacher, they're going to present the arts, then you didn't even know or you don't have any idea what is the abstract and non-objective. So maybe more confused ka talaga if those arts doesn't make sense or it makes sense. Bakit nga ba ginagawa ng mga artists ito? Ano ba yung gusto nilang ipahayag? Ganun. So meaning of abstract arts, it happens or it usually writers do an art or represent based on the reality. And strictly speaking, the word abstract means to separate or withdraw something from something else. The term can be applied to art that is based on an object, figure, or landscape where forms have been simplified as schematized. It also applied to art that uses forms such as geometric shape, gestural marks. Objective art, on the other hand, is art defined as having no recognizable subject matter. The starting point takes nothing from visual reality. Instead of drawing people, trees, buildings, or any other observable things, non-objective artists use the elements of art as their subject, like including lines, shapes, forms, values, colors, and textures. So when we say, after natin malaman kung ano yung abstract, abstract means that the artist was trying to convey or to provoke emotions by communicating through arts, by pag-drawing nila through arts. So meaning it happens in a accurate visual reality to achieve its meaning or to achieve its effect. So non-objective art naman is ito yung mga hindi nare-recognize ng mga kagaya natin, like for example, if we're going to recognize if there's someone who present the art or non-objective art, hindi natin ma-recognize kung ano ba yung meaning ngayon. The starting point, it's not happen in a visual reality. Because instead of drawing the people, yung mga punuan, yung mga buildings na nakikita natin o observe natin around the world, yung non-objective art naman, yung mga artist na ito, hindi sila gumagamit ng mga observable things na nakikita natin, but they usually create or make a paint like it's the subjects or line, shapes, forms, values, colors, yung mga textures, yung mga elements na nakikita natin sa mga online or mga social medias. So ito yung example ng abstract because it emphasizes or it shape the visual reality. And on the other hand, the non-objective art, it is usually the artists use the shapes, the colors, the textures na hindi natin ma-recognize na may sense ba ito or wala.